Magandang hapon po ng October 17, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng October 17, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, October 17, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for October 17, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.